to the RLID video tutorial series. Today we will learn more about the standard search. The standard search allows searching using the most common property attributes. Users have the ability to search for properties using multiple search criteria, including site addresses, map and tax lot number, account number, owner name, business name, and subdivision. Starting on the main page, we can click Standard Search to take us to the Standard Search homepage. Let's take a look at the different functions. Get Results takes you to the Search Results page. Start Over displays a new blank query screen. Reset clears the field entry in the selection. And Refine Results, which is actually on your Search Results page. I got that ready there for you. That will take you back to the query screen and retain all search parameters previously entered, so you could add more parameters to your search. Throughout RLID, there are 3 types of context-sensitive help and metadata available. Application help gives information about a specific RLID application, like the Property Search app, the Deeds and Records app, etc. It is available by clicking the eye icon at the top right of the main search page of the application that you're using. Query help gives you instructions for query field formatting and could also let you know what content is available by clicking on the question mark icon located next to the query field. Now with metadata, let me just define metadata, and it just simply means data about data. So information about various types of data that's displayed in reports is available by clicking on any linked field name throughout an RLID report. So I got an RLID report ready for you. There's our link. There's this metadata about our link. Now, we also have 3 options to help you keep the data that you need. Now we're back on our search result page. Our first option is print screen, and this prints the result page. Next is print to PDF, which downloads the result in PDF format. And last is export results. This exports your results to a downloadable file using one of the default sets, and in this case, it's an XLS, which is an Excel file. Now onto our search criteria. Starting with site address, you may notice there's a simple search and an advanced search. By default, we land on advanced loading the page. But if you go ahead and click simple there, all you would need to input is the house number and the street name. So if we go ahead and type in 318 Broadway, it will pull up 318 Broadway as well as 318 East Broadway. Okay, we'll go back real quick. If we move to the advanced search, you'll notice that there are more fields to further refine your search. Just keep in mind, you do not need to fill in all of the site address fields in order to return results. All empty fields are dealt with as wildcards. Now, real quick, you may have noticed back on the simple page there is a set this view as default link. If you click that, next time you log on in, the simple search will be your default search type. Advanced is the default search type, so if you just want to keep it that way, don't touch anything. Now the next search parameter is the map and tax lot number. In the map number field, you're going to want to enter full map number up to 8 digits. In the tax lot field, you're going to enter a number up to 5 digits. Just keep in mind that the leading zeros may be dropped. And as a quick side note, the full 13-digit map lot can be pasted into this field, and the map and tax lot number will be separated and placed in the appropriate fields. This also works with the hyphenated map lot numbers. And just in case you need a refresher, you could always go ahead and press that there, and you'll have a quick reminder about that. Now, by default, tax lot number fields are preceded by an equal to qualifier. If you click on the drop-down arrow, you can also have the option to choose between greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, or the between qualifier. Now, if you click the between qualifier, it opens a secondary entry field, and that allows the user to enter a range of house numbers or tax lot numbers. Now, moving on to the account field, you're going to enter the full account number, and keep in mind the leading zeros may be dropped. If you need a reminder, we have that there. Next, we have the owner name field. So this function is not a starts with field, but rather the function searches for text strings anywhere in the field. So the results will display all properties that contain those elements of an owner name. Now the way you're going to want to search for that is either the owner last name, the owner last name, comma, first name, owner last name, comma, first name, and middle initial, or the owner first name and middle initial. Moving on to our business name field, this one does function as a start with field, so make sure that you get that name right. Now, as a little disclaimer, RLID's business data does come from a third-party source called Info USA. If you want to go ahead and check out our full disclaimer, go ahead and click that there, and it's just letting you know we do not assume liability for the correctness of this data from a third party. Alright, and lastly, we have our subdivision search field. One subdivision may be selected at a time, but you also have the option to narrow your search by inputting the lot number if you have that data. However, it's not necessary to get results. Now, just as a quick note, these subdivisions that we have listed on our website are provided by Lane County Assessment and Taxation and are available from 1999 forward. Well, thank you. That concludes our overview of the basic search. If you have any further questions, you can check out our other video tutorials or reach out to RLID support at help@lcog.org. Thanks for watching. Take care.